Good day, learners. For today, we will talk about lesson 2, environmental scanning techniques. So we will be able to identify the different techniques that we will use from our recent discussion that was environmental scanning. This time, we have techniques to be used on how to scan our environment for business. So let's start. Okay. So challenging part of the business is to know where to start. So therefore, these techniques will help you identify or will help you to know where to start. Okay. So first, we will be able to know what is SWOT and PEST and analyze how is it useful to organizations and then apply it in particular business situation. So first we have SWOT analysis. So this is the first technique. When we say SWOT, it is stands for S, strengths, W for weaknesses. So the two will always be with each other. And then also in contrast with it is the opportunities and the threats as well. So when we say strengths, we also have weaknesses. So this is part of the internal, which is you can control over this. While the opportunities and threats, this can be controlled in the company. So you need to expect this one in your company. That they may be a lot of opportunities that will happen, or there are also times that has threats. Okay, so the helpful part is the opportunities and strengths for internal strengths and then for external opportunities, but the harmful part is the weaknesses and the threats. So for strengths, it is the advantage for competitors, because in this way you will know what is your best for. Okay, so examples: quality products and services that you offered, efficient manufacturing processes, and positive brand image or good company reputation or high technology use. For opportunities, we have this time the performance. Okay, good performance. So better location as well, new target markets, new technologies and methods used, new products, and possible business expansion. So you can see that your business is really good if you can have these examples that we have. But if we can see these examples like the increased price resources, high inflation rate, entry of new competitors, new trends and technologies that business you have is didn't have it currently, or unstable economic environment, this time there will be a potential harm in an organization or in a business. So you need also to work for this. Okay. So we have the process of doing SWOT analysis. So first, identify the goal of your SWOT analysis, then gather data about your business, market, industry, that where you belong, then know your strengths, also know your weaknesses, and then list the potential opportunities for the business, unless the potential threats that can impede your performances, and analyze the data of your SWOT analysis and formulate strategies based on the data. So that is for SWOT. Now we have PEST analysis. PEST again stands for political, economic, social, and technological factor. Okay, so this also gives the macro and micro impact in our business. Okay, so here are the process of the political, economic, social, and technological, or PEST. So determine the different factors affecting your business by brainstorming. Analyze the data gathered from different factors. Analyze the potential effect, good or bad, for these factors to your business. And formulate strategies, decisions, and appropriate actions based on your data. So again, political factors, it is the use of political ideologies or influences like legal and government intervention. So this could have a great impact of the business operation. Next is economy as well. So this is an important one because you will know the conditions and policies in the different economy that we have. Social-cultural factors, this is pertaining to the characteristics of the customers. So as customers in terms of demographics, the lifestyle that we have, or the culture that we have. So yes, in social-cultural, it is as the customers will be talked about. And then technological as well, this is the advancement, resulting of the advancement that we have, or the use of the technology, science, and research. So is it advantage or disadvantage to our company? So here, political and legal, different laws such as labor law, minimum wage law, connections with politicians, financial reporting, standards, political orientations. For economic, we have growth, stability, exchange rate, demand and supply, purchasing power of customers. And then for social cultural, we will take consideration of these factors: age and generation, characteristics, sex and gender, social status, income, customs. And then technological, of course, internet, software, hardware development, licensing policies, patents, and outsourcing. So to summarize all of it, so SWOT and PEST is analysis that gives the business owners, managers, and decision makers a solid understanding on the internal and external factor that gives impact to the business. And it is a vital tool that is used to identify, for SWOT, the strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and the threats of the business. While PEST, on the other hand, is to determine the four external factors from the macro environment. So that is political and legal, economic, social, cultural, and technological forces. So that ends for our topic of environmental scanning techniques. So thank you for listening.